Definitely a good amount of capped honey. Definitely a lot of pollen. So this is still a food
No, wow, that
frame.
looks so cool.
Move on to our next frame. We should be getting closer to where the queen is supposed to be, or should be. And hopefully we're going to see the eggs and larvae, or see her. It's a lot. I see larvae. Look down towards the bottom. There's little round larvae. Can you see them? And I think all the yellow is capped brood, which are baby bees getting, oh.
Are the ones that have circles in them, are those, they're working on those?
Yep, the ones that are down on the bottom that have you can see the larvae inside them. I don't necessarily see eggs, but the larvae is more than eggs. Oh, I see eggs towards the top. If you look up towards the top corner here, there's a lot of eggs right in the center of the frame. So she is doing her job, ladies and gentlemen. And all those baby bees are going to hatch. I don't think I really want to mess with this too much more. I'll pull one more frame out, see if we can find the queen. But I don't want to mess with them too much more, because the last thing I want to do is harm the queen. But I would love to see her. So we're going to check one more frame. And this is quite a bit of honey as well.